Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today, unboxing for our May company, Copper John's Beard Company. So I got this wonderful box here. Check out the tape, got the Copper John's logo on it. This is what we're going to go over today. We're going to unbox this, see what we are going to be using for the month of May. If I can get it out, it's a tongue twister. Anyway, we're not going to do an intro today. We're just going to jump into the unboxing. Now, today I'm going to be using the Gerber Hybrid X. If you missed that review, I'll put a card up top and you can go check this video out, or the review out. It is a EDC tool with a X-Acto blade retractable knife. So that's what we're going to use to get into this package. So let's make our cuts here. I do not know what's in this box, but I can tell you it is not light. It is a heavy box. I don't see it on the package telling me a weight. Let's get into this. I have never used Copper John's, so this will be a first for me. If you guys have used Copper John's, drop it in the comments below. Let me know what you think about Copper John's. Alright, so let's dive in. Alright, already on the top, we have got a card. Copper John's Beard Company, to lead, to inform, to help iconic inland sea minerals feel the difference today. On the back. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, we got stickers. Alright, let's see. Check that sticker out. Cool sticker. And then we have thank you for your purchase. Won't be long to your beard. Thanks you. Welcome to the Copper John's Beard Family, Tyson. And a Copper John's fly hook. Check that out. That's pretty unique and pretty cool. Alright. Our company's name is inspired by one of, if not the most popular fly fishing flies in the country. So let's check this out. Looks like, look at that. This box is loaded down. So we're going to get all this stuff open and then we'll do some first impressions. So everything looks like it is bubble wrapped. So of course, taking good care of the products so they don't break in transport. Nobody likes to order something and it come in and be a broken glass, spilled product. So okay, that seems like it took forever, but we got all the bubble wrap off of all of our products, as well as the shrink wrap on the tops of the lids. So let's see what we have here. We have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oils and 4 butters and 2 what look like soap. So we're fixing to go through this and we're going to check them out. I have never used Copper John's, didn't even really look at the website to look at scent profiles, so we're just going to go through this and see. I don't know if the scent profiles are on the bottles. Yes, scent profiles are on the bottles, so we're going to try to guess it first. I'm usually not real good at that, but we're going to try. So let's just look at the oil first. Check out this label. Black and white, kind of distressed look. It looks really, really good. They are all the same. So the scent name is down here on the bottom. It appeared. Yep. The scent name is down here on the bottom. They look really good, really clean, really classy. So this one is called The Last Cast. We're not gonna read scent profile. So we got a pretty clear oil. Oh my. What am I picking up? It's something familiar. Let's see. Coconut, acai, creamy vanilla, and sugar. That smells really good. I get the sweetness. Man. Let's see. Can we tell? Is it a lightweight? Can't really tell. Alright. So there's that one. The Last Cast. Mountain River. Give it a shake. Ooh. That is a good scent. And it's not on here what the scent profile is. I'm going to tell you this is more of a woodsy scent. I'm picking up something in there too that I can't figure out what it is. But it smells really good. Alright, so the next one we have is Angler's Code. Give it a shake. Alright. Oh, that one has a little spice to it. That one is it has something. It's got a little spice. Burnt blood orange, lime, agave, golden oud, and myrrh. Oh man. That's a good scent. Nightfall cologne. Oh my. This is what you... Alright, so this one is what you would think of if somebody tells you it smells like a waterfall. Mixed with a cologne. Man. That is a fresh cologne scent. It smells so good. So our beard butters are all matching. Nightfall cologne. Glass. Check this out. These are glass 2-ounce jars. Oh man. And it smells, oh, that's a good beard butter. Oh, it smells so good. Alright. Then we have these two. What are these? These are the Gray Beard series. Alright. So, it's got a scent profile. It's got ingredients. So this one is called Polly's. Oh wow. What is that? That smells so good. Bergamot, basil leaf, oak moss, white patchouli, and cherry almond. Who would have thought? Those 5 things. Man, that is unique. Alright, so next, I'm going to have to read into the story behind the Graybeard series. Alright, so this one is called Skipper. It's very subtle. Very subtle. Very subtle in bottle. What is this? Lemon lime. Alright, so that should smell really, really good. But we'll wait till we can test this out and get it in hand and use it. So you can see the difference in the regular bottles and the Graybeard series bottles. So we have a white dropper top, silver cap, and a frosted bottle. So it look really, really good. Alright, and then last but not least, we have bar soap. Both of these are bar soap. One is Dark Forest, and one is Oats and Honey. So this is scent profile of oatmeal milk and honey, and Dark Forest is oak moss, aloe, and light floral. This one's very subtle, but I get that honey on the back end. That one smells kind of like a pine tar, not quite as pungent as a pine tar, but it smells really good. All right, so that's what we have to use for this month. We have 2 soaps, we have 6 oils, and 4 butters. I think I've got my work cut out for us. It's gonna be a good month. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to click that little bell so you're notified when new videos drop, so you can keep up to date with all the update videos that drop for Copper John's Beard Company. You're not going to want to miss them. And I've got a lot of products to go through, and I smell so good right now. I got some on my hands or something because I smell that cologne-ish, that fresh. Man, it smells really good. Anyway, that's all I've got for today, guys. I hope you sit back and enjoy the series. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.